Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Alcatel Linkzone 2 suddenly stops connecting to the internet and your devices keep showing Wi-Fi without actually loading anything, it can definitely become confusing. Sometimes phones and laptops connect to the hotspot but web pages never open, while other times the device appears active even though internet access completely disappears. A situation like this can happen because of signal interruptions, connection delays, settings changes, or the hotspot simply needing a quick refresh. Before assuming something major is wrong with the device, there are few simple things worth checking because many internet connection problems can improve after quick adjustments. Let's go through several easy steps that may help fix an Alcatel Linkzone 2 not connecting to the internet. Try these. Step 1. Check the signal bars on the Alcatel Linkzone 2 and move to an area where network coverage feels stronger. Step 2. Restart the Alcatel Linkzone 2 if connected devices still refuse to load websites normally. Step 3. Reconnect your phone or laptop to the Wi-Fi network coming from the Alcatel Link Zone 2. Step 4. Review connection settings on the Alcatel Link Zone 2 if mobile data or hotspot options appear inactive. Step 5. Charge the Alcatel Link Zone 2 if low battery seems to affect performance or signal strength. Step 6. Test browsing again through the Alcatel Link Zone 2 and confirm internet begins working.